Respected parents, today I'm just going to explore that how we are supposed to participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha as parents. So, my dear respected parents, first of all, we are supposed to enter the URL, that is innovateindia.mygov.in, and we are supposed to click on the enter key. After that, here it is, one option is there that with a green background, that if you want to participate, we are supposed to click on that. And here it is again, as discussed in previous videos also. Here it is a small arrow, we are supposed to click on that. Participate now option, and at end the last option will be that for parents of school going children, log in to participate. We are supposed to click on that option. And now again I'm just following a method which is supposed to be done with the help of a OTP. And now I'm just going to click on the login with OTP option. Hopefully I just received a OTP here. Now I'm just going to enter the OTP here and click on the option that is a submit here. Now we are requested that parents, here it is, the option will be participate as parents. For example, if I want to participate as parent, name of the parent is Kawaljeet. Email ID is meetkaval24@gmail.com. Gender will be male. Date of birth I'm supposed to enter, that is 1984. Here it is a June. Here it is a date, that is 24. Occupation, I'm just going to select the occupation out of this list. If your occupation is not there in this list, we are supposed to click on the any other, or if you belongs to a private sector, business, farmer, as per your requirement. For example, I'm just going to click on any other option. And here it is, the address will be a Swami Sandas Public School, country will be India, state Punjab, Kapurthala, 144632 is a pin code. Relationship with a child, now I'm just going to click here on a father option. Name of the children is Jaskirat Kaur. I have just entered the name of my daughter and select the gender. After that, the class is, she belongs to a class second. Here it is, very important thing here, that the list will be appeared from classes 1 to 12. So I'm just going to click on the option that is a second class. Name of the school is, I'm just going to select, for example, I just select name of the school is Swami Sant Das Public School. Okay. Board will be, I'm just going to opt for a CBSE private schools. India, UT, here it is, UT and state. I'm just going to select here the option that is a Punjab again. District will be Kapurthala. I'm just going to select Kapurthala. Again, there will be option 144632. Activity we are going to select here. Now the activity will be your words make your child word. Encourage as you have always done. Be your child's friend. Keep depression away. For example, I'm just going to select the second option, and this is only for the demo purpose. Okay, I'm just going to enter some demo text here, and here it is. The instruction is also there, that activity, write a postcard to your child and let him or her know why they are special. And here it is, the content will be not more than 500 characters, and I'm just going to click on a submit option here. There is a confirmation message along with a pop-up. Innovateindia.mygov.in says no changes modification will be permitted after submission. Are you sure to proceed? I'm just going to click on a OK option. And as and when I just click on a OK option here, the very important thing, participate as parent, माता पिता के रूप में भाग लें. And now I'm just going to click on the option that is a download a certificate, and I'm just waiting that if the certificate will be downloaded here. On the bottom of my screen it says certificate.png. I'm just going to click on option that is a open, and now here it is, the certificate will be generated. Hope my words are easy to understand and helps you. Okay, thanks for your kind cooperation for listening, and may God bless you all. Thank you very much.